Welcome to Ruwa Country Club Golf Estate. My name is Zadzikudenga from Fine and Country Real Estate. Imagine waking up every day to the beautiful sounds of chirping birds and the scent of nature all around you. Picture yourself starting your day with a refreshing nature walk, or maybe playing a few holes of golf. You know what? You needn't picture yourself anymore, because this could be your reality if you invest within this estate. Located just 26 kilometers from the Harare CBD along Mutare Road, Ruwa Country Club is not only home to an exceptional 18-hole golf course, but it also offers an incredible living experience. With natural masasa trees providing shade and a serene ambience, this estate beautifully blends luxury with nature. You might even spot small game during your strolls. And rest assured, security is top-notch with 24-hour manned security and controlled access, ensuring peace of mind for you and your family. Now that you've seen it, you don't have to imagine anymore, but just picture yourself living in Ruwa Country Club. This beautiful oasis could be your home. For more information, please get in touch with me using the contact details below. I can't wait to be part of your journey.